technology is great.
MTU is a leading technology provider. We have established a key technology roadmap. On that roadmap you find 3 key enabling technologies, one of which is simulation, so-called virtual engine design. The next one is new material design, in particular CMC development, and also additive manufacturing. With all of that, we approach the future. We're looking into even the year 2050 in order to be leaders of the aviation business.